well እንዴት አላችሁ አሁን ደግሞ ባይጋን ሩል ላይ እሱን በደንብ እናያለን then በምሳሌ አንድ ምሳሌ እናያለን then finally አንድ ኤክሰርሳይዝ እንሰራለን ማለት ነው so እንግዲህ የባይጋን ሩል ስንል ከቶታል ፕሮባቢሊቲ የቀጠለ በጣም አሪፍ የሆነ mechanism of solving case that is given within different probability case የሚያገለግለን ነው so if the event b1 b2 up to bk constitute a portion of the sample space S for probability of bi different from 0 where I stands from 1 up to k then for any event A in the S that means in the sample space S then it equal to probability of BR A is probability of A given BR over summation of probability of BI times probability of A given BI where I stands from 1 up to k where this one is what summation this summation puts what the total probability so እንግዲህ ይሄን መሰረት በማድረግ ይሄ አሁን የኛ ሐሳብ ምንድነው የሆነ ኢቨንት አለ two case three case ሊሆን ይችላል ግን ከነዛ መካከል ደግሞ የሁለቱን ኮመን ደግሞ ያዘ አንድ ኬዝ ነው ይችላል ስለዚህ ያ ኮመን የሆነው ኬዝ ከመጀመሪያው ኬዝ ወይም ከሁለተኛው ኬዝ ወይ ከሶስተኛው ኬዝ ቤዝ ያለው መሆኑን ቼክ ለማድረግ የምንጠቀምበት የፕሮባቢሊቲ ሶልቪንግ ሜካኒዝም ነው እስኪ በምሳሌ ስናየው ይበለጠ ግልጽ ስለሚሆን እንይ እስኪ let's see example 1 a company has launched a new body wash brand እንግዲህ የአዲስ የገላ መታጠቢያ ብራንድ ነው ዴዚ ይባላል targeting users of an existing brand just አዲስ ብራንድ አለ ዴዚ ይባላል just existing ደግሞ ዶቭ ይባላል ዶቭ ሁለት ነገር አለ ዶቭ አለ old and daisy what the new brand market research provides 60% of body wash users are loyal to Dove that means 60% የሚሆኑ ከስተመሮች ዶቭን ነው የሚጠቀሙ ማለት ነው while 40% users use other brands 60 ማነው 40% ደግሞ እንደሚጠቀሙ ሌላ ማለት ነው ሌላ now among Dove users 30% are likely to try what a new body wash like this እንግዲህ ከነዚህ ከ60% የኦልዱ ዶቭ ተጠቃሚዎች መካከል 30% የሚሆኑ አዲሱን ይጠቀማሉ ነው የሚለው አዲሱን ይጠቀማሉ while 10% of other brand users እንዲሁም 40% መካከል ደግሞ 10% አዲሱን ይጠቀማሉ ማለት ነው ስለዚህ ከኦልድ ተጠቃሚዎች 30% አዲሱን መጠቀም ይፈልጋሉ ሌላ ደግሞ ሌላ አይነት ብራንድ ከኒው መጠቀም ይፈልጋሉ now here is the question if a customer tries Daisy and customer Daisy ቢጠቀም what's the probability that he were previously a Dove user አሁን ምንድነው አንድ ፋብሪካ አዲስ የገላ የሻወር መውሰጃ ሳሙና ሊሆን ይችላል ብቻ ፈሳሽ ፕሮዲውስ አድርጓል። ሌላ ዶቭ የሚባል ደግሞ አለው የራሱ ድርጅቱ። ስለዚህ የከስተመሩ 60%ዎቹ ዶቭ ተጠቃሚ ናቸው። 40% ደግሞ ሌላ ነገር ነው የሚጠቀሙት ወይም ሌላ ብራንድ ነው የሚጠቀሙት። ስለዚህ ከዶቭ ተጠቃሚዎቹ 30%ቱ አዲሱን መጠቀም ይፈልጋሉ። ከአዘር ብራንድ ተጠቃሚዎች ደግሞ 10%ቱ አዲሱን መጠቀም ይፈልጋሉ ወይም ይጠቀማሉ። አሁን ጥያቄው ምንድነው? አዲስ የሚጠቀሙ ሰዎችን መውሰድ ዶቭ ተጠቃሚ የነበር የሚሆንበት እድል ወይ ደግሞ just other brand ተጠቃሚ የሚሆንበት እድል ብለን ብንጠይቅ ማንንም እንጠቀም ማለት ነው? we have to use what? the bias rule ማለት ነው። so first let's define our evenness. So let's define that. Let's D be the event that customer is Dove user. D ምን ነው ማለት ነው? የኛ ከስተመር ዶቭ ዩዘር ነው እንበለው። And let's say O be that the customer is user of other brand. And let's say T be what? The event that a customer tries Daisy. አሁን ከዶቭ ዩዘር ነው ከአዘር ብራንድ ነው ብቻ ቲም ነው ቶታሊ አዲሱ የሚጠቀሙ ሰዎች ናቸው። you can say this one as total probability ማለት ነው። total probability because አዲሱ ላይ ማነው ከሌላ ብራንድ ተጠቃሚ የሆኑ ሰዎች አዲሱንም ይገዛሉ። ከዶቭ ዩዘርም ደግሞ አዲሱን ተጠቃሚዎች አሉ። ሶ ምንድነው ጥያቄው? እነዚህ አዲስ ከሚጠቀሙ ሰዎች መካከል ዶቭ ዩዘር የመሆን እድሉ ወይ ደግሞ አዘር ዩዘር የመሆን እድሉ ምን ያክል ነው ብለን ማስላት ስለምንችል አሁን እኛ ጥያቄ ምንድነው? ዶቭ ዩዘር እነዚህ አዲስ ከሚጠቀሙት መካከል ወይም አዲሱን ከሚገዙ መካከል ዶቭ ዩዘር የመሆን እድላቸው ምን ያክል ነው? well so the probability that a customer is a Dove user given that they tried Daisy is calculated what? Using the Bayes theorem as follows. The probability that a customer is a Dove user given that they tried Daisy. So Dove user given Daisy T is equal to what? Simply probability of using the Daisy given that they were Dove user times probability of Dove user over what? Total probability ማለት ነው። total probability. So here let's ጥያቄው እንደሚለው if the customer tries Daisy, what's the probability that they were previously a Dove user? Now we can say, so let's define T given D is a probability of trying Daisy given that a customer is what? Dove user. Again TD is what? The probability of being a Dove user. Probability of T is the overall probability of trying Daisy. You see, overall probability, total probability ማለት ነው። When you say is overall probability, it may be a customer from the old version user or the customer from what? From the Dove user. Total የሚባለው ምንድነው? አዲሱን የሚሞክሩ ሙሉዎቹ ምንድናቸው ማለት ነው? Total probability ይባላል ማለት ነው። Now we have given that probability of being Dove user is 60%. And probability of being other brand user is 40%. Okay, but we have also been told that a customer that uses the Daisy, given that he or she was a Dove user, is 30%. Again, the probability that he or she was, the probability that he or she is trying Daisy, given that he or she was just other brand users, is what? 0.10. Now, having this formula, we can find the total probability. So first we have to calculate total probability. So total probability is equal to what? Probability of being or probability of using the new one, or the probability of being a Daisy user, given that the customer was Adobe user, times probability of what? Adobe user, plus the probability of being Daisy user, given that the customer was just other brand user, times what? Probability of other brand user. So when we substitute this number, we'll get what? 0.22. This is total probability. That means probability of customers that buy what? The Daisy wallet. Daisy. But here is just our question. What is the probability that the customer uses new brand, which is Daisy, given that he or she was what? Adobe user. So the probability that if he tries, what's the probability that he was what? Adobe user. So probability of being Adobe user, given that he tries the new brand Daisy, is equal to 0.3 times 0.6. This one over what? Over 0.22, because A ማለት ማለት ነው። በየትኛው ፎርሙላ መሰላችሁ? ፕሮባቢሊቲ ኦፍ ዴይዚ በቅድሙ በዚህ ማለት ነው። በዚህኛው ፎርሙላ መጣች ነው። በዚህኛው ፎርሙላ ስመጣ probability of being Adobe user, given that he has tried what? The new brand, which is called Daisy, is equal to probability of the customer being the new brand user, given that he was a Adobe user, times probability of what? Adobe user over total probability. Hence we have given all information, then we can simply substitute 0.03 times 0.6 over 0.22, which is equivalent to what? 0.818. This implied that 81.8% of customers who tried Daisy are likely to be what? Previously Adobe user ማለት ነው። በዚሁ ተመሳሳይ what is the probability that a customer tries Daisy likely to be what? Other brand user የሚለውን ደግሞ መስራት ይቻላል በተመሳሳይ መልኩ ማለት ነው። Now based on this, let's try this exercise. So it said that a company knows that 60% of its customers are repeat buyers. Let's say it are, and 40% are new buyers. Ready? 40 ማለት 60% የሚሆኑት በቃ የተለመዱ ደንበኞቹ ናቸው። 40% ደግሞ አዲስ ደንበኞች ናቸው። They also know that 70% of repeat buyers respond positively to new advertisement. ስለዚህ ከነዚህ 60% ከሚሆኑት ወይ ደግሞ repeatedly ባየር ከሆኑት መካከል ለማንኛውም ለአዲስ አድቨርታይዝመንት ፖዚቲቭሊ ሪስፖንድ ያደርጋሉ የተባሉት ነው 70% ናቸው። 70% ናቸው ማለት ነው። A person or a customer is repeat buyers given that he or she respond what? Positively. ማለት ነው 70 again while only 20% of new buyers respond positively አሁን ደግሞ just 40% ከሚሆኑ ወይም ከአዲስ ገዢዎች ወይም ተጠቃሚዎች ወይም ከስተመሮች መካከል only 20% ናቸው ለማንኛውም ለሚደረግ አድቨርታይዝመንት ፖዚቲቭ ሪስፖንድ የሚያደርጉ ሶ ምን አለ ማለት ነው እንደ አይነት ነገር ሲሰጠን ኮመን የሆነ ማን ነው ማለት ኮመን የሚሰራው ቶታል ነው ማለት ነው ከሁለቱም ፓርት ሶስት ፓርትም ሊሆን ይችላል ሁለት ሊሆን ይችላል ሶ ከሶስት ግሩፕ ከአራት ግሩፕ ወይም ከሁለት ግሩፕ ሊሆን ይችላል ዞሮ ዞሮ ከነዚህ ከሶስቱም ግሩፕ ያን ዋን ፓርት ቢሞክሩ ከሆነ ያ የሚሞከረው ነገር ምንድነው ቶታል ነው ማለት ነው so just here is our total probability is what positive response ማለት ነው positive response will be what total probability now what the probability that means customers are repetitive users I mean if a customer responds positively if a customer responds positively to the advertisement then what's the probability that they are a repeat buyers and customer positively respond ቢያደርግ what the probability that he was what a repeat buyer ማለት he was a repeat buyer ተመሳሳይ ነገር ነው ምንም ብዙ እንትን የሚል ነገር የለውም so first let's define so let R be customers are repeat buyers and N be customers are new buyers and let's say P is equal to positive customers respond positively to what a new advertisement now the required one is what positive the probability that a customer is just repeated buyers given that he was or simply he responds what he responds positively ምን ማለት ነው he responds positively መጀመሪያ respond ማድረጉ ነው የቀደመው አይደል positively respond ማድረጉ ነው so what the probability that a customer is repeated buyers given that he is what positive responder so first let's calculate positive or total probability using what the law of total probability as follows total probability or positive probability ስንል ምን ማለት ነው probability of repeated buyers probability of repeated buyers given that I mean probability of repeated buyers probability of repeated buyers times probability of positive given that what he or she is repeated buyers again plus probability of being new buyers times probability of what just having positive response given that he or she is what from new buyers በዚህ መሰረት here ቅድም እንዳልኳችሁ 0.7 or 7% ምንድናቸው look እዚህ ጋር 7% ማለት they also know that 70% of repeat buyers ምንድናቸው repeat buyers ናቸው respond positively አሁን 7% repeat buyers respond positively ነው so the probability of just having positive response given that they were what a repeat buyers is what 70% times probability of repeat again probability of respond positively given that he or she is what a new buyer look here ይሄ መስለው 10% ነው እንመልከት እዚህ ጋር if while only 20% of new buyers respond positively ማለት 20% of new buyers ከኒው ባየሮቹ ደግሞ 20% ብቻ የሚመለስ ናቸው ፖዚቲቭሊ ሪስፖንድ የሚያደርጉት ይሄ ምን ማለት ነው ይሄ probability of just respond positively given that he or she or simply a customer was what from a new buyer which is 10%. I mean 20%. So 0.7 times 0.6 plus 0.2 times what? 0.4. This equivalent is 0.42 plus 0.08 is equal to 0.5. So probability of responding positively is what? 0.5. Now let's calculate the probability of being repeated buyers given that they respond positively as follows. So probability of being repeated buyers given that a customer respond positively is equal to probability of a customer is positively responding given that he was what? He was a repeated buyers times probability of what? Repeated buyers over total probability or being positive responder. Being positive responder or so this is equivalent with this is probability of positive response given that he was yes repeated buyers is 70% times this one because we have done this one here 70 times I mean 0.7 times 0.6 over what 0.5 because we have calculated here positive total probability so this gives us 0.42 over 0.5 is what 0.84. So this means that the probability that a customer is repeated users given that he or she responds positively is 0.84 ማለት ነው well ይሄን በዚሁ እንጨርስና ቀጣይ random variables and their probability distribution በሚል በአዲስ ርዕስ እናያለን እስከዛ ድረስ ሰላም ሁኑ ፕሊዝ ቻናሉን ግን ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉት ላይክ አድርጉት ለሰዎቹ ሼር አድርጉ thank you